and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view the spoilers for the Boxycharm base box, which is a $25 a month subscription. I'm gonna say this at the beginning of the video, just like I have said in some of my other spoiler videos. Please, if you cannot afford this box right now because the world is in very dark times, people are getting laid off, losing their jobs, and just not promised tomorrow whether or not you're gonna have the money to afford it. And when I mean afford it, not that you don't have the money for the boxes, but that you don't have the extra money to spend on it, or if your money is better put somewhere else, like towards food or helping out a loved one or just donating and helping other people. And it's also very important to view spoiler videos just to see what you're going to be spending your hard-earned money on, because some things just aren't worth it. I've actually had a few Boxycharm boxes I wish I didn't get because I just didn't think that it was worth it, and I really wish Boxycharm had a skip option just like IPSY, because sometimes I would much rather have the premium box over the base box. And I know it's $25, but $25 is like 20 boxes of rice-a-roni or something like that. Like, am I right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. I just don't want people to feel like they have to keep buying these boxes so they don't lose their spot, even if it's not ideal for their budget at the moment. I really think that we should all jump on the bandwagon and just like attack Boxycharm and say, please add a skip option, because I know a lot of us don't want to lose our place, especially with the Boxy Premium. I know so many people were getting the Fenty box because they didn't want to lose their place and they didn't want it. Just like me, I didn't really like the Fenty box. I wish I could have skipped it, but I didn't want to lose my place. So that's a really terrible like thinking strategy, whatever, but don't feel obligated to continue with these boxes if you aren't feeling it. If you feel like you're wasting your money, please cancel it. You can come back at a later time, but I do think we should talk to Boxycharm and say, please add a skip option. IPSY can do it, Boxycharm needs to do it. I'm just saying. Also, don't just stop at my spoiler videos, because there are so many people out there that do spoiler videos and we all have an opinion. That's what I like about my spoiler videos in particular, is that I like to explain if I like the product or if I would just rather skip it, or if I'm just not feeling it. Everyone has their own opinion about things, and it's good to gather multiple people's opinions first to form an opinion on your own. But anyways, I think I'm just rambling at this point, so I just want to go ahead and get right into the spoiler. So if you guys love these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed to my ASMR channel, please do so. I have a link down below. It would mean so much to me if you guys supported me over on that channel as well. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I have 10 products that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, so let's start with number 1. There is going to be a lavish 5-piece brush set. I'm not exactly sure what the brand is. I don't know the price, but we have a lavish 5-piece brush set. I don't really know what else to say, but there looks to be an eyebrow brush with a spoolie on the end, a little like lip liner type of brush, or we can use it as an eyeliner brush, a more of a definer brush, a blender brush, and I can't really tell what this one is, but there's a good variety of brushes here, and we are going to be receiving a palette in our box, so I'm not sure if these brushes are going to come in everyone's boxes, but I think it would be really cool if they did come in all the boxes, because say you get the palette and you don't actually have eyeshadow brushes, bam, eyeshadow brushes. But yeah, I don't know. The next spoiler is the iconic London Illuminator drops. These retail for $40. I'm not exactly sure if there's going to be multiple shades, because this one is very dark, and if Boxycharm actually goes by my profile, I know I'm not going to get this because that is a very dark shade. So hopefully I don't get it, because I would have no use for it. But if you do have a darker skin tone, I think you might like it. I love these kind of drops that are like, you know, liquid, because they just leave a really nice wet sheen to the face, and I have a few that I do really enjoy. So if you have a deeper skin tone, I think you're gonna really like those if you do receive them in your box. Next up is from Dose of Colors. This is a Lip It Up satin lipstick, and the shades will vary. So this retails for $17. I think the shape of this lipstick is like odd, but I'm also like vibing with it. So I really like the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, so I do really want to try it. I think that everyone will probably get this in their box since there are several shades, so I think probably expect it, but then again, I'm assuming, and you know what that means. So yeah, I feel like everyone would probably get it, but you know. Next up, we have the Hank & Henry Boxycharm exclusive twin pack of sponges. So you get a big sponge and a mini sponge, but I looked it up on the Hank & Henry website to figure out what I thought the prices would be. I think it's probably just the box that's Boxycharm exclusive, because they have these in a duo, just like this, the exact same looking sponges on their website as a duo. And the duo pack retails for $23, but it's on sale right now for $20. And I think, oh, I cannot remember the price, but I know the mini sponge was $9, and I think the big sponge was like $16, but like that's insane. I would never pay that for a sponge. Just saying, especially for the mini sponge, $9? No, 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 no. I don't know. I feel like sponges are kind of a weird thing to get in these boxes. I mean, they are an essential tool, and it's really great if you've never tried a sponge before and you just have brushes, but I feel like this is just kind of weird. But I mean, I guess you could say sponges and brushes, meh, 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 but I don't know. I feel like sponges are just kind of like a filler product, if you will. Does anybody agree? Leave all of your opinions down below. You know I love to hear them. Let's move on. The next one is the Benefit Porefessional Primer, and this retails for $34. This is the original one, and personally for me, I did not like it. It burnt my skin. Something in that, I don't know what it is, does not agree with me, so hopefully I don't get this in my box and I get the other one, the Benefit Hydrate Primer. That also retails for $34. I would love to give that one a try and see if, you know, it's the same, if it burns my skin. There's something in the ingredients that upsets my skin. It doesn't like me, so if I do receive it in the box, the original one, definitely gonna go up on my Poshmark, but hopefully the hydrating one is in my box and it works out for me and my skin doesn't try to move and, you know, whatever. The next one is a Elemis cleansing foam. So this is just, you know, a liquid cleanser you put on your face, clean your face, whatever. This retails for $32. Elemis is a very nice, like, high-end brand. The few things that I've tried from Elemis I really enjoyed, so I think if you get this, you will be very excited. But also from Elemis is the hydration juice, which retails for $48, which if I had to like pick or choose, I would rather have the hydration juice. But also I probably don't even need them. I keep getting skincare and I don't use it. I've been using my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream lately a lot, so I'm kind of like into that, and I haven't really like branched out and tried other things, but I think if I had to pick, I would pick the hydration juice over the other one to be more excited about. But anyways, the next one is from Baddington Lashes, and this is a lash set, and it also will come with glue, I assume. They have lashes and it doesn't come with glue, but the picture I saw had the glue, so hopefully it has the glue because I'm almost out of glue, and if I happen to get this, I would be very excited because I have more glue. And I've been like playing with lashes, as you can tell, trying to like perfect them, so I think I would be really excited to actually get lashes in my box for once. But yeah. And then the last spoiler is a Zueva palette, and these retail for $28. Oh, the lashes retail for $31. I forgot to tell you that. Did I tell you the hydration juice retailed for $48? I can't remember. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. It's allergy season, can't you tell? Anyways, the next spoilers are the Zueva palettes. They retail for $28, and you will get, there is between 10 palettes that you could possibly get in your box. So I'm just gonna throw up some palettes on the screen that I'm pretty sure I remember seeing from the ones that you can choose from. So I'm gonna pop them up for a second and let you see all 10 palette variations. And yeah, here it goes. Okay, so that is all of the BASEBOX spoilers, and I want to tell you guys really quick the future brands that are going to be coming in Boxycharms' boxes, which I'm not sure if this is going to be premium or BASEBOX, but I'm sure it's going to probably be a variety of both. So the future brands is Kevin Aquan, Kylie Skin, Hourglass, Sunday Riley, and Natasha Denona. The only one I'm not excited for, and it hurts me to say it, is Kylie Skin, because I haven't heard like the best about them. I just wish that Kylie Cosmetics would come in the boxes because I really enjoy that, but I don't know about Kylie's skin. Let me know all of your thoughts, comments, and all of that down in the comments section. I love to hear what you have to say. I may or may not reply to all of you because I'm a horrible human being, but I do read all the comments, so please leave all of your thoughts and opinions and everything down below. I would love to read them. That is it for these spoilers. Stay tuned for the premium spoilers. That video will be up very shortly after this one. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!